Hey, folks, welcome back to Aqualair Sources. Are you tired of being turned down for credit cards due to a lack of credit history or poor credit? Do you want the convenience of a credit card without having to make a hefty deposit? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of no credit check credit cards, instant approval, no deposit. We've handpicked some of the top options in this category that can help you access credit and start building or repairing your credit score. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, keep watching. Today, credit cards are crucial to financial health because they allow people to conduct transactions, establish credit histories, and take advantage of various rewards and benefits. People with little or bad credit may need help to get a credit card. The good news is that alternatives, such as guaranteed credit card approval with no deposit, offer fast approval without a deposit. This post outlines the characteristics and advantages of credit cards that do not require a credit check. If you are looking for no credit check credit cards, instant approval, no deposit, these are the best options. But first, let's understand what instant approval credit cards are. Instant approval credit cards are credit cards where applications are processed instantly. The process usually involves an online application asking about the applicant's income and identity. Applicants receive a decision of approval or rejection immediately after submitting. Now, what exactly are no credit check credit cards? Credit cards with no credit check are designed for people with limited or poor credit histories. People can benefit from credit cards without submitting to a traditional credit check. A no credit check credit card is primarily intended for individuals seeking to rebuild or build their credit history. These cards can be used responsibly to demonstrate creditworthiness to lenders and make it easier for them to obtain better credit in the future. Now, let's dive into the top 5 no credit check credit cards, instant approval, no deposit. Let's start with the Aspire Cashback Reward Card. The Aspire Cashback Reward Card is an excellent choice for those with fair or poor credit. You can apply for it without the need for a security deposit. Plus, it offers a relatively high credit limit, which can be a game changer. What sets this card apart is its Cashback Rewards program. You can earn a generous 2% cashback on gas and groceries and 1% cashback on all other purchases. This is a fantastic way to save money while using your credit card responsibly. Next up, we have the Revy Card. The Revy Card is designed for individuals who may have subprime credit. Like the Aspire card, it doesn't require a security deposit, making it accessible to those with bad credit. With the Revy Card, you can earn 1% cashback on all your purchases. While it's not as high as the Aspire card's cashback rate, it's still a valuable feature that can put money back in your pocket. Moving along, let's talk about the Fit Platinum Mastercard. The Fit Platinum Mastercard is all about instant approval. You'll know whether you're approved or not right away, and it's accepted at locations wherever Mastercard is welcomed. One standout feature is the possibility of doubling your credit limit after just 6 months of making on-time payments. This can be a tremendous benefit for those looking to increase their available credit. Now, let's explore the Fortiva Mastercard Credit Card. With the Fortiva Mastercard Credit Card, you can potentially qualify for a credit limit of up to $1,000 based on your creditworthiness and income. That's a significant amount of spending power for those who need it most. Just like the other cards on our list, the Fortiva card offers cashback rewards. It's another opportunity to earn while you build or rebuild your credit. Last but not least, we have the First Access Visa Card. The First Access Visa Card is versatile, and it can be used anywhere Visa cards are accepted. It's an excellent choice for those who want the flexibility to use their credit card for various purchases. While this card does have an annual fee, it offers a 1% cashback rewards program, which can help offset some of those costs. How no credit check credit cards work. So, how do no credit check credit cards, instant approval, no deposit work? A credit cards with $2,000 limit guaranteed approval works differently than a traditional credit card. This credit card type considers other factors, such as income, employment stability, and banking history, instead of just a person's credit history. No credit check credit cards are offered by lenders who use alternative methods to evaluate a person's creditworthiness. It may be necessary to review income statements, verify employment details, and review the applicant's banking transactions. Lenders can determine whether a person can manage credit responsibly by evaluating these factors, even if they are unfamiliar with their credit history. Recap and final thoughts. So, there you have it, our selection of no credit check credit cards, instant approval, no deposit. These cards can be a lifeline for individuals looking to establish or rebuild their credit without the burden of a security deposit. Remember, while these cards offer opportunities for those with less than perfect credit, it's essential to use them responsibly. Pay your bills on time, keep your balances low, and avoid unnecessary fees. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aqualair Sources for more valuable financial tips and recommendations.